Hello everyone. In my previous videos we have discussed about the flame. Only last topic of this chapter is left, that is fuels. Now what do you mean by fuels? We already read about the fuels. See, some of the examples are wood, cow dung, charcoal, kerosene, LPGs. These are used for the cooking purposes. And some fuels such as coal, some oils and natural gases are used in industries. Petrol and diesels are used in automobiles and locomotives, and specially prepared fuels are used in rockets. On the basis of the physical states of the fuel, these are classified into the solid, liquid and the gases. Some examples of the solids are like wood, coal, coke. Liquids are petrol, oil, diesel. Gases are coal gas, LPG, biogas, and many more examples are also there. These are the some of the examples. Now, what do you mean by fuel? What is the definition of the fuel? Fuel that are easily and readily available. It should be cheap. It should burn easily in air at moderate rate, and it produces large amount of heat, and it burns completely. See, a good fuel should also be an efficient fuel. Now, what do you mean by ideal fuels? What do you mean by ideal fuels? See, a fuels when burns completely without leaving any undesirable substance after burning, that is called ideal fuel. Now the efficiency of the fuels. Efficiency of the fuels. See, efficiency is measured by the calorific value. Measured by the calorific value. Now what do you mean by calorific value? Calorific value is the value in which amount of the heat produced by complete burning of 1 kg of fuel. Got it? Amount of the heat produced by complete burning of 1 kg of the fuel, that is known as calorific value. Now what is the effect? See, effect of the incomplete combustion of the fuels are incomplete combustion of the fuels produces mostly carbon monoxide gas, that is very poisonous gas, and most of the fuels releases carbon dioxide gas. Excess of the carbon dioxide leads to the global warming, and you can see these burning of the coal and the diesel produce sulfur dioxide gas, and the burning of the petrol gives a nitrogen gas that is not fit for the health. They mix these gases mixes with the water and with the rainwater, and they form the acids, that is known as the acid rain. Next are the fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers. Now what do you mean by fire extinguishers? See, things that help to control fire. Got it? See, it's a job to cut off the supply of the air and to bring down the temperature of the fuel. Got it? In simple languages. And see, one thing I can add, CNG. CNG, compressed gas. These are known as cleaner fuel. Why this is known as cleaner fuel? Because it releases harmful substances at small amount. Okay, like in many towns such as Delhi, Ahmedabad and Mumbai, helped this has helped in reducing the level of pollution. So see how the fire extinguisher works. See, first to control the fire is the water, to spray the water. Water is not used for the fire caused by the oil and the petrol, because water is heavier than the oil and sinks below the oil. So water and the foam, see the separate they water and the foam, they separate the oil particles. These are the main types of the extinguishers. One is a water type of, second one is a water in the foam type of, and they separate the oxygen particles from the other particle to prevent the flow of the oxygen, water in the foam. Now the third is the carbon dioxide gas. This is the best fire extinguishers. See, you can say carbon dioxide is heavier than the oxygen and covers the fire like a blanket. Since the oxygen supplied is cut off, then the fire itself is controlled. Next is the wet chemical. It's a new agent to remove the heat of the fire resin and prevent the reignition by creating the barrier between the oxygen and the fuel elements. They have been specifically developed for the fires occurring in commercial cooking operations. That's all about this chapter, my dear students. If you have any doubts, do comments at the end of the video. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Kindly like and share my channel. Thank you.